Hello, welcome back. It's me, the mage, and today we're going to be talking about wands. As you know, I like to cover a very wide range of magical practices, and I'm all about bringing real, practical, magical information to you. So, first off, I'd like to talk about a few different types of wands. I'll start here first with my athame. And athames are usually found in ritual magic, like Celtic or Wicca, stuff like that. Here, I'll bring it a little closer so y'all can see. And this is bone with some wood and leather. And athames are, you can use them like a standard wand and project energy out of them. What I use mine for most specifically is to take away hexes or curses, and clearing space, cutting ties, tethers, whatever you want to say. If it has to do with removing something, I'll use my athame. Next, we have what I would consider this, my smudging sage, to be a wand as well. I'm going to light some up. And the reason why I call it a wand is because it too can project energy and your will. So really what a wand is a medium to bring your intentions to the physical plane, as many people see it as. Third is my standard wand, which you'll see me use in rituals. I have amethyst base, and then it's a black oak wand. Crafted it myself, as with all of my wands. And what I would call a standard wooden wand, very common type, to me it can act in 2 or 3 different ways. One is projecting streams of energy, of intent, my will. Second would be if I am to, let's say I have my intention, in my last video I enchanted a necklace, and I did 3 taps, and those 3 taps are a way to solidify the magic that has just been done, and it transfers the will or the intention into the object or the spell. Third would be moving energy, so like really just moving the energy that's already there. And you can do a lot of things with drawing sigils in the air, and projecting them forward. You can gather energy, you can heal. Let's say you're a Reiki practitioner or pranic healer and you want to use a wand for some type of healing, you can do that too. And so I really love wands. I really love my wand. Zzz, I should say. I have moth. Okay, so this is the wand that I use for my black magic. Some may call it black magic or dark magic, but it's used specifically for curses or hexes, things like that. I can't remember, it might be either willow, I'm pretty sure it's willow, or it's maple. It might be maple. Has some carnelian on both sides. Really beautiful. I love this wand a lot too. Has this really kind of dramatic, kind of just holds the even presence of something dark. So I use that in my dark magic. Some other wands that I got going on. This would be a smaller wand. Some carnelian up there, the bottom one fell out. And you'll notice that I use my wands for different things, right? Each one kind of has its own place in my setup. And I think it's important, at least in my practice, to have these designated tools that hold certain vibrations of power. And it helps increase their effectiveness, I think. You know, if I'm trying to mix all my healing and all my dark magic into one wand, but I have a second wand, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense why I would use the same wand for everything. So that's just a brief little bit about wands. It's really all about moving energy, directing your intent and your will, and yeah, play around. Something I love to do, oh, there's an activation ritual for wands that I'll make later. In more detail, I'll activate one, but basically what you do, since I'm here, is you hold your wand above your head and you say, like, something around the lines, you can make it up for yourself, like, I call upon the energy of the heavens, I call upon, and you point it down, I call upon the energy of the earth, I call upon the energy of the north, the east, the south, the west, and I hereby seal this wand. That's one way of doing it. That's a short one. I'll give you a whole really dealy so that you know for sure. So that's my little video on wands. I hope that you liked it. Please subscribe and like, leave a comment down below, and come back, join me again for some more mystical, magical knowledge. I've been practicing for over 10 years. I got a lot locked up in this noodle. Have a good day.